Hey there, little buddy. Well, looking like another tutorial up in here. I got this wig from Amazon, okay? I believe I did a haul video, my little Grinch haul, that I'm gonna post later about where I got it from and all that jazz, whatever. But this is a synthetic wig. It is front laced. It is about 22, 24 inches, give or take. I cannot remember right now because this is future Asia. Yeah. But what I tried to do in the beginning was to curl the wig to give it some body curls, but I totally forgot. Don't clown me, but this is a synthetic wig. Like, I'm not sure why it's gonna hold. See, look, looking pitiful. So then I decided, let's just straighten the wig straight, because I'm not too sure if you notice, but what I notice is when I straighten my synthetic wig straight, for some reason it's more manageable. Like, it doesn't get tangled that easily. It just works so much better. So I'm not too sure if me combing out my synthetic wig and applying heat to it, it just makes it, I don't know, more manageable overall. But that is what I pretty much did with my Grinch wig. And also, it gave it more movement. The color is gorgeous on the wig. I definitely want to use it again for something else. And maybe I can do different styles with it, but I feel like having the wig straight was going to be the best option for this look. But look how better it looks just straightened. Okay, look, not too sure if it's a theory or whatnot, but I feel that the wig feels so much better and it's so more manageable after I pretty much straighten it straight with my flat iron. Look, it's early. Okay. This is a prosthetic I got from Etsy. It's right like this. Literally, forgot the name of this, but a Q-tip, girl. Last time I actually broke it. Let me make sure I open it. So I'm gonna take the edges down. Tape. Oh my gosh, I'm just messing up. Freaking glue. Put some more glue on my freaking edges. I'm not too sure what I'm tripping today. Like, it is 3 in the morning. Like, I'm tripping. But I'm gonna put some powder to get the tackiness off, I would say. It looks really white on camera, but it's really, if I go into my bathroom, it's so faint. But I'm working with this ring light that I'm borrowing right now until I get my ring light back. Anyway, what I'm gonna do next is what I typically always do. Oh, I lied. Take that back. I need to freaking a stick of glue, which is washable. I did not ask for this one, but whatever. They probably replaced. You know how you put or schedule a card pickup for a store and you have to tell them to not replace an item if it's not in stock? Well, looks like mine was out of stock because it gave me disappearing purple. Like, so we're gonna have to cover up my eyebrows, let it dry, and put some more on. Or whatever it's called, Giorno. I don't know, bonjour, like. Huh? Take the side of my eyes. But the first thing I'm gonna do is, I always like to go in with antidote right here. I like it, okay. We probably go in Secret Keeper. Volcanic. Yo, I feel like the light is so harsh that you don't see like all the color. Hold on, let me. This light's getting on my nerves. Okay, whatever. Anyway. What's called Earthbound, right? peeper again, just a little bit at the top. Gonna be this gold one, the Fool's Gold right here. I'm using my finger. We're done with the lid part, so I'm gonna take this off. And I realized something. I didn't put my freaking contacts in. Oh my god. Whew. This took way too much time than I thought it was. Okay, so I've done, okay. To activate this face paint, we did have water. I am nervous, like, I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. I forget, oh my goodness, it's in my eyes. Next one's got my eyelashes. I look really crazy right now, like, we're making progress. Okay, so I'm regretting putting this fur on my freaking eyebrows because it keeps getting in my freaking eye, but luckily I put my eyelashes on so it can protect my eyes from the fucking fur. I'm cursing. What color is this? Yes, the green cream paint stick, and we're trying to mimic like his not freckles, his oh, it looks too dark already. It looks too dark. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in between this the little, what's it called? The wrinkles, I guess? I don't know. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm just doing a tapping motion. Look, y'all, try it, bro. Anyway, the last thing I want to do for this look,
don't get weird,
is to take the green cream paint and put it on my lips. I want dark lips. Let me see. Yeah, something like that. But that's why my lips are shiny right now. So I think it's growing on me a little bit. I don't like how I did the lines, but it's cool. It's cool. I want to redo this later. So typically I would paint my ears, but since I'm about to wear this wig, the way it is straight, it's gonna cover everything. So let me put the wig on, like. Oh, I like this. Just put on my outfit to see how much more green paint I need to put in the middle. I think we're done. I just need to put some paint down here. We should be good to go, but oh my goodness, maybe I should have painted this. No, it looks uneven. Okay, look, I did the best I can. I don't know what to do, but I think I did a decent job. I look kind of sexy, but like scary though. Rawr. But I hope you learned something. I learned something along the way. I want to do this cosplay again and pretty much learn from my mistakes that I did in this video, but it's only okay. You know, I like redos, do-overs, but if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for some more tutorials and see how I come up with little cosplay looks. And also you can go on my website, which is AsiaMmkay, to look at all of my cosplays and look at other information about me, such as my other YouTube channels. You know, throwing it out there. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope you come back and watch me again. Until then, happy holidays.